Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on their evolutionary journey. 5 to 8 hertz frequencies, the recalibration of the body. In order to understand this, Nikola Tesla stated, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. We are electrical beings. We are vibrational beings. All vibrational systems can be influenced and recalibrated by other vibrations. 5 to 8 hertz can recalibrate our body back to its original perfect state. Many aspects of this life, this third dimension, will break down the body and break down the DNA of our body, which we need to construct what our vessel will be. This DNA can be fixed. It could be recalibrated. And our DNA can be awakened to evolve. Many people state that we have junk DNA. That DNA is not junk. It serves a purpose. And if we could tap into the power of frequencies, we could utilize these frequencies to awaken that junk DNA and to restore our body back to the way it was supposed to be while we live this life. It is part of this life for us to age, and the many things that affect our body negatively can be overcome through the power of frequencies. 5 to 8 hertz is one of many frequencies that can help restore your body. In my personal experience, it has been the most efficient. We are all different, so we should always keep an open mind and question everything. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Tap into the power of frequencies. Raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the 5th dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. The truth cannot be told. It can only be realized.